In this video, I will be showing how to add restrictions in webmail account in cPanel. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to sign into cPanel with cPanel username and password, which will bring you to the cPanel settings page. In cPanel settings page, you need to click email account option under email section. Here, in this page, you will find all the webmail accounts set up in cPanel. Next, select the webmail account and click the Manage button to which you want to add restrictions. And in this page, under Restrictions section, you can suspend receiving emails into the webmail with this option, and sending the emails, you can suspend or put on hold for the time being. And similarly, if you don't want anyone logging into webmail, you can suspend it. Finally, click the Update Email Settings button below. And done, adding restrictions in the webmail account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.